Hey, what's up, kitty does shares? Don't mind me. I, already washed my face and stuff today, and so I look kind of janky, but, I just now, like 5 seconds ago, received a message on Facebook from Kat telling me that she had just uploaded her fourth crack video, Adam's Family crack video, and, I asked her to make a reaction video to my fourth Adam's Family crack video and said I would do one for her in return, and so as soon as I got the message, I just couldn't wait to go watch her crack video, and so here I am at 9 something at night, about to make this reaction video to her fourth crack video. So yay, let's do it. Hold on, I gotta close that. I'm not wearing my glasses because I don't wear my glasses when I'm making videos, but without them I cannot see because I am blind. Turn up the volume. Okay, this is exciting. I'm excited. Waiting for it to load. There better not be an advertisement. I'm gonna be so, ticked off. Oh, hang on, I got a message. We're gonna pause it first. Wait, here we go. Oh, hold on, I'm not ready. I want to read this message first. Okay. I don't have my glasses on. Yay, can't wait. Smiley face. Stupid keyboard. Okay. Here we go. Play.
Ophelia, locking yourself up this way isn't going to solve the problem.
Oh, yes! Oh, yes! I love it! That's awesome! Aww. That was awesome. Oh my gosh! That's hilarious, because it's just like the music video to that song. Oh,
I'm going to take definite action. I'm going to put a stop to this, no matter what the consequences to Gomez. I can't.
no.
I love it too much. Bitch, please.
Jenna Marbles! Love this scene. Love this scene. Taylor. Only that would be death. Tonight. Oh.
I know you couldn't resist.
Oh my gosh, this again.
You're cute, charming, cultured, talented, intelligent, witty, rich, completely feminine. You're just not my type. She got a nice body, though.
Yes. Oh, oh, that you got. Oh, jeez, this song with the scene and. It's so perfect. I love it.
Congratulate me. Gomez and I are going to be married. Hallelujah. On the first sight.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm a boss ass bitch. Bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch.
That was awesome.
I had never.
This is epic. This is too much. Yes!
I am Pocahontas.
A Chippewa maiden.
Masquerading as a gypsy. It's so unbecoming. I'm sad
and burn your village to the ground.
Hit the fan.
This is great. Hit the fan. Oh jeez. This ought to be funny. We talk about this scene all the time when we Skype.
Didn't like that. He joked with me. On a single lady. On a single lady. On a single lady. What does the fox say?
She called you ratchet ass hoe?
Uh-huh.
Holy shit.
Slow down. Grab, go on. Wiggle like you're trying to make your ass fall off.
Oh, Gomez, please leave me. I can't talk now. I must think.
How can I live without her? Shoot me.
Oh, this is. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Cat! Oh my gosh. Oh wow. You just showed me up. My fourth crack vid, like, pales in comparison to the sheer genius that was that video. Wow. Pure genius. I literally did not stop laughing the whole time. But I guess you saw that because it was in this video. I don't know. But anyway, that was freaking hilarious. I know I'm a really ugly laugher, so sorry you had to witness that, but oh my gosh, that was funny. Definitely probably your best. Oh, didn't you say that about my fourth crack vid? Now I sound like I'm copying. Dang it. Whatever. Well, it's true though. That was probably like your best. Like we us like your subscribers have been anticipating it for a while now because you're always talking about how like you're writing notes about it and stuff and you were really like just thinking this one through and it paid off. That was hilarious. I loved it. It was awesome. I'm gonna go watch it again because it was just that funny. But first I'm gonna reply to this message you sent me. Whoa, I can see. Oh, whoa, this message wasn't from you. It was from someone else. Oh, dear. This person, like, they're my friend, but I don't like talking to them online. Is that weird? Like, they're cool and all, but they, like, I don't know, they don't know how to communicate through a chat online. They're just, it's so awkward and weird. But I guess I have to reply now. But, anyway, I guess that's the end of this video. That was awesome. And, I'll see you guys in my next video, I guess. Yeah. See you all later, then.